Good morning, mushrooms! Today we're taking a quick look at what we have growing here in the grow tent. Right now we have 3 separate 10-pound blocks of pink oyster mushrooms. We also have 3 separate lion's mane 10-pound blocks growing right now. We did a little bit of a test between the X method and the slash method. Now the X method is just like this right here. You can see there's an X cut in the bag. And the slash method is this right here, just one single slash across the bag. So this one is the this one's the X method. Looks like it grew pretty big compared to the one next to it, which is the slash method, and they're all the same inoculation time and everything, same conditions. And these pink oysters, 2 of them are on the second flush and 1 of them is on the first flush. And then this is the first time I'm growing yellow oysters right down here. So just wanted to show everybody what I'm doing in here. We're still growing mushrooms, keeping it small, doing a little bit at a time, but we're getting tasty and delicious mushrooms out of it. And this is why I grow mushrooms. We have 2 different varieties of oyster and lion's mane, fried up to a nice dark brown perfection. I'll be eating these for supper tonight.